What's the meaning of brownout? Brownout. Brownout.
Brown out. Brown out. The term brownout refers to a situation where there is a temporary decrease in the electrical power supply, resulting in the dimming or flickering of lights and appliances. Brownouts are less severe than blackouts because some power is still being supplied, but they can cause damage to electronic devices and disrupt daily activities. In addition, brownouts can cause safety hazards, such as fires and electrocution, due to the fluctuating power supply. Overall, brownouts can have negative impacts on both the functionality and safety of daily life.